Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Patreon account, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Patreon account, start by visiting the official Patreon website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account for faster access. Once you have submitted your information, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Patreon. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After confirming your email, return to the Patreon website and log in using your credentials. You will then be guided through a series of prompts to set up your profile. Begin by entering your creator name and selecting your account type. Choose between being a creator or a patron, depending on your goals. Next, add a profile picture and a cover photo to personalize your page. In the About section, write a brief description of what you offer. Clarify your content focus and what patrons can expect by supporting you. Proceed to set your tier options if you are creating a Patreon account for content creation. Define the benefits that each tier will provide to your patrons. Set the monthly price for each tier and ensure it reflects the value offered. Once you complete these steps, click on Publish to make your page live. To finalize your account setup, navigate to the payment settings. Enter your bank or payment details to ensure you can receive funds. Review all your settings for accuracy before making your account public. Your Patreon account is now activated and ready for potential patrons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.